Banksy was also credited with one of the opening couch gags for the 2010 Simpsons episode entitled "Money Bart," depicting people working in deplorable conditions and using endangered or mythical animals to make both the episode the animated episode cell by cell, and the merchandising that obviously went, kind of coincided with the actual Simpsons program. His name appears several times throughout the episode's opening sequence, spray painted on assorted walls and signs. Fox actually sanitized parts of the opening for taste to make it less grim. So in January 2011, Banksy published the original storyboard on his website, which was obviously darker than what they actually produced. The animators actually threatened to walk out if they were forced to do what Banksy actually had intended. Uh, there's so many reasons why I love Banksy for his actual art, but then stuff like this, and this is such a good example of just modern art. I mean, you're taking one of the most famous TV shows ever, The Simpsons, and you're creating an opening credit sequence, the couch gag sequence, which is obviously famous in every episode, um, and you're doing it Banksy style. I think it's just so brilliant of a comment. I mean, in a lot of ways, he is pop art. I mean, that's I think he's a kind of a perfect combination of Warhol and Basquiat, right? It's dark. It's got a really cool, like, kind of modern criticism about culture, but it's done with popular culture. And we'll get even to another even bigger version in a second. But watch this. If you haven't seen this already, just enjoy this.